Marriage Real Talk. When to give up. In marriage, hindi lahat ng idea mo dapat ipilit. Lalo na kung hindi palatable sa asawa mo. Right after retirement, I didn't know what to do. So I decided, ako na lang ang magiging cook ng bahay. For almost a year, I did it faithfully. Pero one day I noticed, the whole family was getting thinner by the day. That's when I knew it was time to quit. On my own, I stepped down as cook, and peace and good meals returned to the house. Marriage teaches you this. Sometimes love means fighting through, but sometimes love means letting go with a smile. Marriage Real Talk. Don't insist on what doesn't nourish love, even if it's your cooking.